In this video I'm going to show you how to earn $17.76 per offer. Please like and share this video for other people to see it for higher recommendation. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Get paid for testing apps, games and surveys. Earn up to $17.76 per offer. Want to earn free cash within minutes? Here's how. 1. Choose an offer. Take your pick from the tasks on the Earn page. We list the best offers from companies who want to advertise their apps, surveys, and products. 2. Complete the offer. Most offers are very simple and have already earned money for thousands of people. Most offers take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. 3. Get paid. For each task you complete, you'll be rewarded with coins. 1,000 coins equals $100. Cash out the coins and get your hands on your free cash. Best ways to earn. Play games. In order to attract more players, gaming companies want to pay you to play their games. Let's play. Earn per app 50 cents, $120. Join surveys. Companies need your opinion to create better products and services. That's why they pay for your feedback. Earn per 5 to 10 minute survey $1. We're the one site to make money. Here's why. Highest payouts. Earn way more than on other sites. It's our goal to help you make as much money as possible. Instant cash outs. Need your earnings now? No problem. You can withdraw them almost instantly starting at $200. Daily bonuses. Climb the daily bonus ladder, reach the leaderboard, or start a streak to earn extra rewards, for free. Now click on the sign up button to begin. Click on sign up with Google account. Now log in into your account to start earning. The website name is freecash.com. Now claim your gift bonus. Congratulations, your first bonus has been credited to your account balance. Now time to claim your sign up bonus. Click on Open Case button. Congratulations, it has been credited to your account balance. Now you can start completing offers to start making money and take advantage of high offers to even earn more money. You can start cashing out your earning from 50 cents through crypto and others payment processors. Free Cash have a good Trustpilot rating as thousands of users are very happy. You can track live payout of happy users on the Free Cash website. Have further questions, comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.